when I saw it from the interstate, I was like, there's no way that's climbable. Oh my gosh, it goes down steep. I'm gonna get my gloves out. Wow. It's like, why would you need upper body strength for hiking? Oh my hands are slipping.
If you get hurt though, it's gonna be real hard to get you off the spell.
It's the most challenging part. I consider it the most fun part too.
That may have been the hardest, but this is no slouch. Camelback has nothing on this.
No, it doesn't.
What in the world do I hope? Where is it?
Wow, that is like straight down. Look at that.
That is nerve-wracking. Holy cow. Nice job.
Yeah. Yay.
Along Interstate 10 between Phoenix and Tucson lies the infamous Picacho Peak, the centerpiece mountain within the state park of the same name. It is famous for its rugged climb, beautiful scenery, and historical significance, as it was the site of the second most western battle of the Civil War. Picacho is a wickedly shaped spire that rises over 1,500 feet above the surrounding land. Despite being set next to the highway, the west-facing views are of unspoiled Sonoran Desert. The vistas at the summit are not easily reached, however, as this is one of the most grueling and dangerous trails in Arizona. As the trail has several very steep and rocky sections, there are cables and catwalks to assist in the ascent. Via Ferrata is an Italian term meaning iron path that describes a mountain route that uses fixed steel cables, rungs, or ladders to assist climbers. Some Via Ferrata routes utilize personal safety gear such as harnesses, ropes, and carabiners to affix the climber and prevent falls. Some routes, however, do not use such gear. On these paths, the hiker depends entirely on the use of their hands and feet to keep them safe. Such is the rugged Hunter Trail to the spectacular Picacho Peak. I think that shows the halfway point. I think we're getting to the point where they call it the saddle. But this is, we're gonna say goodbye to these views. Leveled out a little bit on this front side just after the halfway point. Just over the saddle there, and now we're gonna head down a little bit before we start going back up. Oh my gosh, it goes down steep. I'm gonna get my gloves out. See if I can go back down. Oh my gosh. We're continuing to go down. Wow, holy cow. Now we're on the backside. There you go, you got it. Yeah. At least the rocks aren't loose like at Grandfather. You got it. Go to the harder part. Oh my. Boss, I don't. My hands are slipping with these gloves. It's a little finagling there.
It's the most challenging part.
You think so?
Oh yeah. Well,
Yeah.
I consider it the most fun part too.
Yeah, well, it usually goes hand in hand. Oh, Camelback has nothing on this.
No, it
That's a warm up.
Yeah.
There you go. You got it.
Okay.
Yoo-hoo!
All right. Nice job.
Yeah.
Good.
Why they put ropes here?
These don't grip very well.
Oh, these are good.
And so I slide down the cable. Well, that may have been the hardest, but this is no slouch here. Is this the peak? Woo, we did it!
Yay.
What'd you think? Here's the peak. Time to head down. Unfortunately, we knew this out and back still had treacherous terrain to tackle, this time going down.
If you get hurt though, it's gonna be real hard to get you off this mountain. Now look up and smile. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Just concentrate on what you're doing.
Stand on your left foot and hop. Do it again. Come back up.
Holy cow.
Yes.
What in the world do I hope? Where is it? That is nerve-wracking. That's the worst and the best, all wrapped into one.
Wow, that's like straight down. Look at that.
Well, when I saw it from the interstate, I was like, there's no way that's climbable. How in the world
I was thinking the same.
is that climbable? Ooh, ooh. I like how that's bent.
I feel like we're rock climbing.
Well, this is basically the closest you get without equipment, right? That's a long stretch right there. It's like, why would you need upper body strength for hiking? There's nothing, you gotta go down further, yeah. There. That's about there, I turned around, yeah. Reach the saddle.
Yeah. Used to be a really
Thanks for watching. We hope this gets you excited about getting out and exploring on your own. Click to the right to subscribe. Click to the left for more adventures.